Manage Access feature in your account. After logging in, click on Private or Public under Manage Access column. Select the preferred access from the drop-down. If you set it as public, anyone will be able to scan or view the document. But if you select their access as private, only the authorized persons will be allowed to access the document after proper authentication. You can add a new viewer by clicking this button. Enter viewer's name and email address. You can add multiple viewers if you want. You can add viewers at the time of creating the document, or else you can add them anytime. Now save their updated details. Enter CAPTCHA for verification and click Submit. Access has been updated successfully. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.